Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Fast. I'm Lisa.
Hi, friends. I'm Mark. Today, we have a very important and exciting topic, pronunciation.
Yes, pronunciation is one of the keys to sounding natural and being easily understood in English.
Many learners focus on grammar and vocabulary, but without good pronunciation, even perfect sentences can be hard to understand.
In this episode, we'll talk about why pronunciation matters, common challenges, and practical ways you can improve step by step.
Part 1. Why pronunciation matters. Lisa, why do you think pronunciation is such an important part of learning English?
Well, Mark, pronunciation is how we produce the sounds of a language. If you pronounce words clearly, people can understand you easily.
Right. Good pronunciation prevents misunderstandings. For example, if you say sheet instead of shit, the meaning changes completely.
Exactly. Pronunciation also helps you feel confident. When you know you're speaking clearly, you're more likely to join conversations and practice more.
And pronunciation affects how fluent and natural you sound. Even if your grammar and vocabulary are good, unclear pronunciation can make you hard to follow.
That's why it's so important to practice pronunciation regularly, alongside other skills like speaking, listening, and reading.
Part 2. Common pronunciation challenges. Let's discuss some common problems learners face with English pronunciation.
One big challenge is English has many sounds that don't exist in other languages, so your mouth and tongue might not be used to making these sounds.
For example, the TH sounds, like in think and this, are difficult for many learners because they require you to put your tongue between your teeth.
Right. Some learners replace TH with S or Z, which can confuse listeners.
Another challenge is vowel sounds. English has many vowel sounds, some long, some short, and the differences can be subtle.
For example, ship and sheep have different vowel sounds, and mixing them up can change the meaning.
Stress and intonation are also tricky. Stress means putting emphasis on certain syllables in words or words in sentences.
Intonation is the melody or rise and fall of your voice, which can change the meaning of questions, statements, or emotions.
Getting stress and intonation wrong can make your English sound unnatural or confusing. Part 3. Tips to improve pronunciation. How can learners improve their pronunciation effectively?
First, listen carefully to native speakers. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, and pay attention to how they pronounce words.
Try repeating what you hear, a technique called shadowing. Speak at the same time as the speaker to imitate pronunciation and rhythm.
Practice difficult sounds slowly at first. For example, practice the TH sound by placing your tongue between your teeth and blowing air gently.
Use tongue twisters. They're fun and help strengthen your mouth muscles. For example, she sells seashells by the seashore.
Practice recording yourself speaking and listen to the recording. Compare it with native speakers and notice areas to improve.
Learn about word stress and sentence intonation patterns. Use resources or apps that teach these in detail.
Practice speaking clearly, not too fast. Speed will improve naturally as your pronunciation gets better.
Part 4. Practice pronunciation together. Let's practice a short sentence with the TH sound. Thank you for thinking about this.
Thank you for thinking about this. Notice the TH in thank, thinking, and this.
Now you say it slowly and clearly, focusing on the TH sounds. Try another sentence with similar sounds. The 3 thieves thought they were safe.
The 3 thieves thought they were safe. It's a bit tricky, but practice makes perfect.
Now try saying it focusing on clarity. Let's practice vowel sounds with minimal pairs, ship and sheep. Say each word clearly.
Ship, sheep.
Good. Try sentences. The ship is fast. The sheep is white. Finally, repeat this tongue twister slowly. She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashore. Keep practicing this to improve your fluency. Thanks so much for practicing pronunciation with us today.
Next episode, we'll talk about how to improve your English listening and speaking together.
Subscribe, practice daily, and enjoy your English learning journey.
See you next time.